have some, but it's supposed to be pretty cold tonight.
Let's do this, guys! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh my, there's nobody here.
That's me, guys. Hi. Hi.
They can't see you, baby. Go up more.
Hi, Dee. Hi.
Welcome you guys to Life on the Road. We just got to our campsite here, and it's not I thought it was a completely level site, but there's a little hump, so I can't get my hitch off the trailer, so we're sleeping on an angle tonight. I've been working on it for like an hour, and it's driving me literally mad, so I'm just gonna let it go.
Here I am.
Shh, get out of here, I'm trying to talk. Get going.
I'm with a top.
Get out of here. Where's she going?
Get over to your room.
No.
So anyway, we just backed the trailer in, we got the electric hooked up, and I'm trying to find the fire starter that I brought.
No.
Oh, the lighting's horrible here. Hey, let's switch. So hey guys, we're in the men's restroom here, and this isn't bad for a campground restroom. Sink, urinals, toilet, and check it out. Showers, yeah, dude. So far, so good, you know, we're having a lot of fun. It's a little chilly out, but that's all right. We brought little portable heaters, and it's not packed here by any means. There's like no one around, but Jenny keeps saying, shh, to the kids, you don't want them to disturb the neighbors that are like 500 yards away, but, you know, just being courteous. All right, we'll see you back at camp. Well, it's about 10 o'clock. What do you think, Jen?
I am tired of cleaning up.
So this is the first time we actually packed stuff and traveled anywhere ever in a camper. And we have so much stuff everywhere, we just don't even know what to do with it all, where to pack it, so we sort of have to just get organizing, you know.
But when you have a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old to just strip down. Daniel bought enough sweatshirts and hats.
Jen, I can't leave all my hats at home. What do you think this is?
It's 2 days. 2 days, boss. I bet you'll wear that same hat the whole time, but he has enough to last a month. Oh, there's another sweatshirt. So we have 4 sweatshirts. 4 sweatshirts.
But, all right, guys. Well, I think we're going to hit the sack. I'm definitely going to hit the sack. I'm pretty beat. I mean, I am almost 43, so that's just what you do. I mean, 43, you're pretty much hitting the hay at... Oh, I'm up late tonight. 10:34.
What's that song? Nobody likes you when you're 43.
Yeah.
1 hour later.
Stop! Don't, you're gonna fall. What?
I'm getting down.
Why?
It's
It's a stink bug, Cash. Seriously?
Why do I think when you say it?
Cash, it's a stink bug. Now that's enough.
I'm coming out. It's right there.
Penny, get him. Where?
No.
Get him.
No. No.
Oh my, you city kids. Unbelievable. Jen, you need to toughen them up.
The next day.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time to rise and shine.
Good girl.
I hope you're feeling fine. The sun is just above the hill. Another day for us to fill with all the things we love to do. Well, can't you hear? It's calling you.
That's a little potent.
It's time to rise and shine. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope you're feeling fine. Come on and get up, get out of bed. You gotta get up, you're sleepy. Then the day is dawning just for you.
Jesus, thank you for this beautiful day and this beautiful camper. Thank you for letting us be safe and keep everyone in the whole world safe. Amen. Amen. See? Dig it!
Bon appetit. Dig in.
It's time to rise and shine. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time to rise and shine. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time to rise and shine. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time to rise and shine.
By the way, I didn't even take you guys out and show you our campsite. We were inside earlier, but I did manage to figure out the hitch situation. So yesterday when we backed in, there's a little slope on this parking spot here, and I couldn't get the camper off the hitch last night. I mean, it was giving me such a hard time because the back end, you know, the camper was leaning this way, and the SUV was pointing down, which gave which gave us a little pinch right there in the middle. So it was impossible to pop that ball off. So I ended up running the camper and the SUV over to Walmart this morning and grabbing a 5.5-inch drop, which solved all the headache. Thank goodness.
That was a little tricky. Hi guys. Vlog. Today we're gonna show you our new park because our camper is right down there. And we just have to come right up the hill to play at this park. So we're gonna show you what we can do at this park. Paisley, you're gonna show us how to do the twisties. Paisley, you gotta go up here. Let's get it. Stop, Cat. Now, I'm gonna show you guys to sit. I can't get out. Okay, now Catch, let's see you perform. Go super fast, man. Go, go, go. That's the boy. Now someone hold the camera for me. Oh well. Okay. You guys both. Here comes my perform. Wow, that was great. Okay, now Paisley. Go. Yeah, go. Now Catch. Shoot off! Okay, now me. Someone hold the camera for me. I will. No, you guys both. Hurry, get it. 1, 2, 3, go! Jump them out! Whoa! Ready? 3, 2, 1. You guys enjoy the ha-ha! And then how do you do it? Did you guys like that? Ha-ha! Ready? Okay, that's good.
Hey guys, well Jenny and Paisley are back at camp. Me, Cashman, and Penny are going on a jog while Paisley goes down for a nap. But it is so beautiful out here today, man. Whew!
Welcome to 7 Boys.
Well, what you doing there, boss?
Getting some supper ready. Some potatoes, sliced potatoes with a hot dog in a foil wrap. Why not? You know? Are you blaming this on me or you?
Absolutely you.
Oh, really? I just put them together. Who was the one
Do you
cooking
guys
them?
see all the black burnt right there? Yeah. So, all right, kids, let's go to Best Way.
-2 is a high five.
Well, good morning, you guys. Welcome to day 3 of our road trip to Raystown series. Night 2, I mean, it really went well. How about it, Jen?
Oh, splendid.
Cash man.
I do remember. I do remember threatening to not bring Cash or Daddy the next time we camp. How about it, girls? Us girls?
Cash and I just don't sleep well here for some reason. I swear I seen a UFO. I'm not even kidding. Look, check out this footage. There was a bright light up in the sky and it just kept zigzagging back and forth and just hovered above us, and then I think it ended up being like a star.
Penny and Paisley were fantastic last night, except Paisley was like this.
I was leaving up there and down.
The rest of the night I hear, Mama, I'm coming down. Then I hear, Jen, wake up, it's a UFO. Jen, did you hear that? What's that noise, Jen? Mama, can I sleep with you? I'm coming down. Then he finally comes down and then he says, ah! Lays with us for about 2 hours, and the whole 2 hours he's literally saying, move over, move over, move over. And I'm like, if you want space, go upstairs. Go up top, huh? And then he says, then he gets up top and he says, go get me a tissue. I'm like, are you kidding me, boy?
I had to sleep up top by myself because
you did.
You did great, Penny.
Paisley did great.
I hope you guys enjoyed this fun adventure. I mean, we're basically trying to just get our feet wet and get familiar with the travel life. You know, so I think we're still alive, and yeah, it's been a great 2 days. So thanks for watching. Hey,
oh, sorry, boss. Whoa.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I think the next venture we might, I don't know, there's talks of going down to West Virginia or Tennessee. I don't know. We'll have to play it by ear. But we got to get back for work in Awana's. I got a bunch of stuff to do back home. And I still got to edit Dad's video, so I got to get back and get on the computer. And
but I think
Penny's got some schooling to do. She's homeschooling, by the way, but that's a whole nother video in itself. Okay. So we're taking it, you know, we're literally going to take this on the road and her schooling. But okay, all right, I'm chit-chatting a lot. So
Chef.
Bye, guys.
Chef Cash.
Good job, Cash. Time for some coffee. Third cup of coffee.
My turn.
Guys, you gonna wave and say bye to everybody?
Bye.